In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly remove a green background in Photoshop. So as you can see right here, I have a green screen in my image, and the first thing I gotta do to remove it is to click on the image layer, then go to the select menu, and then click on color range. Now when this tab opens up, all you have to do is click on the eyedropper at the left here, the one that does not have a plus or a minus sign, and then simply click on the green background. This basically tells Photoshop to sample and select the green color you clicked on, and now all you have to do from that point on is click on invert. You can also select the preview. I have the black matte preview already on. Also make sure to play with the fuzziness slider. I'll just set it to the highest amount so I can remove the green stuff even more. Click OK, and then what you want to do for the final step is to duplicate your layer. So select your image layer and hit Ctrl J on the keyboard, or Command J if you are using Mac. And as you can see, if we hide the background layer, you can see that the green screen has been removed. You can then put a new background underneath the subject, and to remove these bits of green, select your subject layer and click on the new adjustment layer button, and then click on hue/saturation. Now click on this hand shape right here, and then click on the green stuff around your subject, and then lower the saturation a lot, and then also play with the lightness a little bit, and that's how you remove the green screen fully. And I know this may not work perfectly for all images, especially if your subject has a lot of hair, but I'll make a much longer video explaining how to fix that. But for now, please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and feel free to watch this next tutorial.